Okay viewers, you are watching Travel Photographer YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore a live location. Now we are in Secunderabad metro station. From Secunderabad metro station to Uppal metro station, nearly 20 central government and state government institutions are there. Each and every location now we are going to explore. Okay brother, now we are in Secunderabad metro station. This is the Secunderabad metro station. You can call it as a green corridor. In this green corridor, several metro pillars are there. By considering these metro pillars as our landmark, now we are going to explore a live location. The first live location we are going to explore is Railway Degree College, and then Osmania University, English and Foreign Language University, IICT, CCMB, NGRI, NIN, Uppal Cricket Stadium, Uppal Municipal Office, Uppal Government Hospital, Uppal Police Station, Uppal Sub-Register Office, Uppal RTA Office, Uppal Metro Wholesale and CDFD. The final location is Uppal Metro Depot. These are the locations now we are going to explore with the live locations by considering metro pillar as our landmark. All these locations which now I mentioned is just beside these metro pillars only. It is very easy to identify these locations by taking these metro pillars as our landmark. So, being a local person in Hyderabad, it is very easy to understand. But Hyderabad is a metro city. Daily, thousands of tourists and other state peoples are coming to go to these locations. They may feel too difficult to find these locations. So now this video is going to helpful for them to identify these locations very easily. Now we are going to explore these locations. Now we are going to start from Secunderabad metro station. Now I will show this Secunderabad metro station and metro pillar number also. And beside those are the locations, I will show those locations also. Okay brother, now we are going to start. Okay, start. Okay viewers, this is the Secunderabad metro station. From here onwards we are going to start. Okay friends, this is our first metro pillar number, which is located in Secunderabad metro station. From here onwards we are going to start our journey. This is the Secunderabad metro station only. See. This is the Secunderabad metro station. From here onwards we are going to start our journey. This is the metro pillar number C1058. Just beside this metro pillar number, here there is a Railway Degree College. This is the Railway Degree College. Just beside. Very easy to identify. This is the metro pillar number C1050. Metro pillar is landmark for the NIN. NIN is a central government institute. Here is the NIN. The metro pillar number is C1050. C1050 is the landmark for the NIN. NIN is a central government institute, National Institute of Nutrition. Just beside the Tarnaga metro station only. NIN. Okay viewers, this is C1038. This is the metro pillar just behind the Tarnaga flyover. From here onwards, it is very easy to understand. Okay viewers, this is the C1038 metro pillar. This is the landmark pillar for the EFL University and Osmania University. Here you go. If you take this road, it goes to EFL University and Osmania University. If you take this road, this is the ECL road. Here you see SP petrol bunk and Bharat petrol bunk. These two fuel stations are 24 hours remains open brother. This is the ECL road, that is the ECL road. This is our metro pillar number C1038. This is the University Road, Osmania University Road and EFL University. Both the institutes are just 100-meter distance from here. It is a walkable distance. Okay viewers, this is the EFL University, the English and Foreign Language Institute. This is just 100-meter distance from the metro pillar number 1038. This is the main entrance for the English and Foreign Language Institute. This is the main entrance. Just 100-meter distance from C1038 metro pillar number. Okay. Tarnaga Big Bazaar. This is the metro pillar number C1009. This is the landmark pillar for the IICT, Indian Institute for Chemical and Technology. This is the IICT. This is the IICT main entrance. Brother, CCMB landmark pillar number C996. Here is the CCMB. Here. This is CCMB, brother. C967, brother. The landmark for the Central Food Technology Research Institute. Metro pillar number C967. Here is the institute. This is the institute. Central Food Technology Research Institute. This is the metro pillar number C952. This metro pillar number is landmark for the NGRI, National Geographic Research Institute. Here is. This is the NGRI. This is metro pillar number C943. C943 is the landmark pillar for the Genpact company. Genpact. Here is the Genpact. This is the Genpact company, bro. Here there is a metro station, Stadium metro station. Just beside the metro pillar number C92, here there is a metro station, Stadium metro station. This is our pillar number. That is our Stadium road. Small gully. C922. C922 is the landmark pillar for the Uppal International Cricket Stadium. This is the metro pillar number. Here is the stadium. You have to take in this road. In this road, if you travel 100 meters, you will get the Uppal Cricket Stadium. This is the road which you have to follow. From metro pillar number C92 to, you have to catch in this road. In this road, from this metro pillar to 100 meters we have to travel. Then we will get the Uppal Cricket Stadium. Okay, right. Okay friends, this is the Uppal International Cricket Stadium, main entrance at Hyderabad. This is the main entrance. Uppal International Cricket Stadium at Hyderabad. This cricket stadium comes under Hyderabad Cricket Association. The entire ownership goes to the Hyderabad Cricket Association. C899. C899 metro pillar is landmark for Little Flower Junior College and Survey of India. On the left hand side you will find Little Flower Junior College. On the right hand side you will find Survey of India. Here you see. This is the Little Flower Junior College entrance. Left hand side and right hand side you will find Survey of India. I will show you now. This is the Survey of India main entrance. On the right hand side you will find Survey of India. On the left hand side you will find Little Flower Junior College. For these both institutes the landmark metro pillar number is C899. Okay. Okay friends. Now we are in Uppal Crossroad. Uppal Crossroad is a central point for the Uppal Police Station, Uppal Municipal Office and Uppal Government Hospital. This is the entire view of the Uppal Crossroad. If you take this road leads to take you Yadagirigutta and Warangal Road. That is the Uppal Metro Station. And this is the Ramantapur Road. If you go to in this road, this is the Ramantapur Road. DSL Virtual Mall is in this road only. DSL Virtual Mall is just 100 meter distance from here. That is the Secunderabad Road. That is the Uppal Municipal Office. Just beside the Uppal Municipal Office, here there is a Uppal Police Station. That is the Uppal Police Station. Just beside the Uppal Police Station, there is a Uppal Government Hospital, Gowda Hospital. All these locations are here only. This is the Uppal Crossroad is the central point for all these locations. This is the entire top angle view of the Uppal Crossroad. That is the Warangal Road. This is the LB Nagar Road. This is the Ramantapur Road. And this is the Secunderabad Road. Okay friends, just now we are crossed the Uppal metro station. Once you cross the Uppal metro station, immediately you will find the metro pillar number C863. C863 metro pillar number is a landmark metro pillar number for the Uppal sub-register office. In this gully you have to take for Uppal sub-register office. This is the gully. In this gully you have to move for Uppal sub-register office. One side there is a Pai Electronics and other side there is a Bajaj two-wheeler showroom. Between these two buildings there is a narrow gully. In this gully you have to move for Uppal sub-register office. Once you moved into this gully, again you have to take fourth left. Again you have to take fourth left for Uppal sub-register office. So from here you have to travel again 100 meters distance for Uppal sub-register office. Once you moved into in this gully, again you have to take fourth left in this gully. Okay. This is the Pai Electronics. And this is the gully. And that is the Bajaj two-wheeler showroom. Between these two buildings, there is a narrow gully. Once you moved into in this gully, again you have to take the fourth left in this gully. Then you will find the Uppal sub-register office. Okay, brother. Now I will show you the main entrance of the Uppal sub-register office. The main disadvantage of the Uppal sub-register office is there is no proper parking space. That is the main disadvantages. When you came into four-wheeler, it is very difficult to find the parking space. That is the main disadvantages for the Uppal sub-register office. There is no proper parking space. Now I will show you the Uppal sub-register office of main entrance. Let us move. Now we are moving in a narrow gully for Uppal sub-register office. This is the first left. And this is the second left. We have to take fourth left. This is the third left. Next is the fourth left. We have to take in this left. Then we will find the Uppal sub-register office. Right. This is the fourth left. This is the Uppal sub-register office main entrance, brother. Today Sunday, that's why this remains closed. But in working days, here there is a lot of rush. This is the Uppal sub-register office. Board, that is a board. This is the narrow gully. There is no proper parking space here. In this gully just now we came. This route is suitable for the people those are coming from the Ramantapur, Secunderabad and LB Nagar only. The people those are coming from Warangal road, that route is different. This is the main Warangal road. People those are coming from Boduppal side, Adhigirigutta and Warangal, they need to come in this route. They directly take diversion before only. That is the main road, Warangal road. People those are coming from Warangal road, they can come directly by taking left side on main road. Okay. This is the sub-register office gully. This is the entire gully. This is the main sub-register office. Okay, thank you. Metro pillar number C845. C845 metro pillar number is landmark for the CDFD, Center for DNA and Fingerprinting Testing. Here is the CDFD building. Here you see. That is the CDFD building. That is the CDFD building. This is the CDFD building, Center for DNA and Fingerprinting. Okay friends, now we are in Metro pillar number C843. C843 metro pillar number, green corridor. This is the landmark pillar number for the Uppal RTA office. Here is the Uppal RTA office. That is the Uppal RTA office, main entrance. Now I will show you the close-up shots. This is the Uppal RTO office. Today Sunday, that's why it remains closed. Okay friends, now I am just in front of the Uppal RTO office. Metro pillar number C843 is the landmark pillar number for Uppal RTO office, CDFT and Uppal Wholesale Metro and L&T Uppal Metro Depot. These four locations are just beside the C metro pillar number 843. Left hand side Uppal RTO office and Uppal Wholesale Metro, and the right hand side is CDFT and L&T Uppal Metro Depot. These are the four institutes you will find here. All these four institutes are nearby only, just beside the metro pillar number 843. This is the metro pillar number C842. The C842 metro pillar number is landmark for the Uppal Wholesale Metro. Here is the Uppal Wholesale Metro. That is the Uppal Wholesale Metro. This is the metro pillar number C839. The C839 metro pillar is landmark for Uppal Metro Depot. This is the Uppal Metro Depot. This is the institute. L&T Metro Rail Uppal Depot. Just beside the metro pillar number 839. This is the last station, Nagol Metro Station. This is the last station in green corridor. Uppal Metro Depot, Uppal Wholesale Metro Market, Uppal RTA office and CDFT. All these four locations are very nearby each one.